Hey guys, Heather from Garvey here. Just wanted to come at you with another little quick tip. Something that I think that isn't talked about often enough now that we're driving these big computers nowadays. I'm going to show you on this beautiful 2023 Kona N. Really nice styling to this vehicle. Has more of a sporty look, has a sporty sound, sporty wheels, red side skirts. Really just a beautiful car. If you're into things that are sporty, this is the one for you. Just wanted to show you, back to this tip. People are always really concerned about what happens if my key fob dies, because we don't have keys anymore. We just have these little computers that we put in our pocket and then get going. So what happens is, on the back here, there's a little notch right there. You push that over and on the inside, there is an actual key. So you take this key, pick it up off the ground first, go over to your vehicle, put it in the keyhole, unlock the vehicle, pull it out, hop in. Once you're in the car, since the key fob is dead, it's not going to register that it's in the car with you. So once you get in, you take that key fob and you put it against the starter and push in so that the car turns on. It'll realize that the key's in the car as long as it's touching the starter. Once you get in, drive on over to us and we'll get you a new key battery. All right guys, that's all for now. Check back in for a couple other great tips from the rest of the team here at Garvey Hyundai. If you're interested in this Kona or any other of the beautiful vehicles that we have here, give us a call. My number is 518-804-1541, or just ask for Heather when you get here. Have a great day guys. Talk to you soon.